Well, going to be eating at Taco John's today, so it kind of competes against Taco Bell, but there's only about 380 Taco John's in the country and about 8,500 Taco Bells worldwide. So anyway, we'll go check this out. Hello.
You'll go down in history.
You want to give me a number 8?
Number 8, sure. Are you going to be using our app at all?
No. I'll be eating here. And then
And did you want to upgrade to medium or large size?
yeah. And then a thing of red rice.
Red rice. How about any nacho cheese or sour cream?
Sour cream.
Sour cream, okay.
And can I get one crispy taco as well?
One crispy taco.
And that'll be it.
Alright, sir. I got a number 8 small side of red rice and a hard shell taco.
Sounds good.
2036.
All right, thank you.
And we got a survey at the bottom there if you'd like.
All right, thank you very much. I know what those are like, so. Taco John started in 1968 by the name of John Turner, out of a kind of a stand or worked out of one of those food trucks, and now they have 380 locations. Their headquarters is located in Minnesota. It's December right now, but anyway, here's the red rice. Kind of bland. It used to be like Popeyes, where they got the rice and beans. But it's edible, but I'd never order this again. A little potato stuff. They're real good. Deep fried potatoes. Salty though. Alrighty, we've got a soft taco here. So again, this is an alternative to Taco Bell. Not the same caliber, so Taco Bell, but do have my Mountain Dew. Very good. So now I'm gonna try their burrito, and just notice I got this original John's Taco John sauce. So check out the original. See how that is. Hope this Christmas music doesn't get me pulled on for copyright stuff. Yeah, not as good as Taco Bell. Taco Bell was Glenn Bell who came out with that, and thus the word Taco Bell. But I'll get back to eating this and get back with you. So, considering the rice is a little dry and unflavorful, maybe if I put some of this hot sauce in here, maybe that will work it out a little bit nicer. Definitely help, but yeah, I'd never or the rice ever again. So I'm going to try a little Heinz tomato ketchup. See how that is on the potatoes. Potatoes by themselves aren't too bad. Again, they're pretty salty, but so we'll just see how this works. Kind of reminds me of consistency what you see in about tater tot. But a lot of times the more I eat, I'm like, lettuce, ground beef, tomatoes, sour cream, cheese. And now for the crunchy taco. Yeah, the shell has a different type of taste, even compared to Taco Bell. I think maybe more of maybe corn, but it's hard to say. But you do get a lot of meat. Well, all I have left is not finishing the rice, but all I have left is these tater tot type thing. So between this and Taco Bell is at least 5 times better than Taco John's. But if you're in a pinch and there's no Taco Bells around you, prices go here if you want tacos. But given the choice between this and Taco Bell, definitely Taco Bell. Taco Bell, this is like a 5. And Taco Bell is like a 9.5. So that's how I kind of look at it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you can, please give me a like, subscribe, share it if you wish, and thank you for watching. Good job.